Are you a marketer drowning in a sea of tasks? Do you find yourself constantly juggling between creating engaging content, running targeted ad campaigns, and analyzing data to see what's working and what isn't? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be diving into the game-changing realm of remarketing automation and exploring the top tools that can supercharge your marketing efforts and set you ahead of the curve. But before we dive into our remarkable lineup of tools, let's take a moment to recognize the pain points you might be facing. In today's hyper-competitive digital marketing landscape, the relentless demand for fresh content and consistent engagement can feel like a never-ending struggle. Staying ahead of the curve and optimizing your campaigns for maximum impact while keeping a hawk eye on your budget can often feel like trying to hit a moving target, but fear not, because we are here to help. Now, let's introduce the marketing superhero you've been waiting for, remarketing automation. This powerful AI can streamline your workflow, allowing you to do what you do best, creating amazing customer experiences. With remarketing automation by your side, you can effortlessly target the right audience, personalize your messaging, and watch your campaigns come to life. But you might be thinking, isn't setting up and managing these automations a daunting task? Not at all. Remarketing automation tools are designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to focus on strategy rather than complex setups. Alright, let us unveil our top picks for remarketing automation tools and witness how they can transform your marketing game. First up, we have the dynamic duo Google Ads and Facebook Ads. These versatile tools offer a treasure trove of features designed to cater to a wide range of needs. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales, Google Ads and Facebook Ads have you covered. Their robust targeting capabilities allow you to reach the right audience at the right time, while their advanced tracking and analytics help you measure your success every step of the way. Plus, with the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence at your fingertips, you can optimize your campaigns for even greater impact. Next, let's turn our attention to the remarkable Adroll. Known for its exceptional performance, Adroll is a powerful tool that can supercharge your marketing efforts. With a particular strength in retargeting, Adroll allows you to reconnect with potential customers who have previously engaged with your brand, increasing the chances of turning them into loyal customers. Now that you've discovered these fantastic tools, you might be wondering how to set up remarketing automation for success. Here are some simple steps to guide you on your journey. First, choose the right tool for your needs. Consider your goals, budget, and target audience when selecting the tool that aligns best with your requirements. Next, integrate your marketing platform with the chosen tool to ensure seamless functionality. And finally, establish clear goals and track your results to measure the success of your campaigns. As you embark on your remarketing automation journey, you might be wondering how to maximize your return on investment. Fear not, as we've got you covered. By implementing the strategies and tips shared by industry experts, you can unlock the full potential of remarketing automation. Analyze campaign data, experiment with different targeting options, and continuously optimize your campaigns for better performance. The world of marketing is constantly evolving, and remarketing automation is at the forefront of this transformation. As technology advances, remarketing automation is poised to become even more sophisticated, offering exciting possibilities for marketers. Stay ahead of the curve by embracing these innovations and exploring the latest trends in remarketing automation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know how remarketing automation has impacted your marketing strategy. Additionally, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the provided contact information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.